Hello everyone, welcome back to Odoo 14 development video. We were discussing about advanced features of Odoo views and advanced Odoo views. We have gone through the tree view and calendar view in the last videos. Now we are going to discuss about the search view. Okay, so uh, we have created a search view for our Open Academy courses. That's why when we click on this, when we type something here, we have two options coming, a title and the description. We can either search with the title or we can search with the description. So here some more additional options are the filters, group by. So how we can add, just like what we see in our invoicing and other views, we have a lot of options here. We have a lot of options under the group by also. So how we can add these filters and this group by, and what are the advanced things that we can do here. So that's what we are going to discuss in this video. So first what we are going to do is we are going to add, we have responsible. I have added some people are responsible for our courses. So first we are going to do is we are going to add a my course filter here. So when I log into this system and when I click on the my course filter here, it will only show the courses that I am responsible of. So that's that's the one thing that we are going to add into this Open Academy course search view. And then next thing is we are going to add a new group by that will group these courses based on the responsible people. Okay, so that's what we are going to do now. So let's go to our Open Academy module. Okay, Open Academy course, Open Academy XML file contains all the views and actions, menus and everything. So here we have our Open Academy course. Okay, yes, let's go to the bottom. Yes, here this is our Open Academy search view. This is the new thing that we are talking about. So here we have the filter. I have added a filter here. So you won't see that in our previous part. So this is a new thing added to create a filter for our Open Academy courses. So here you can see the filter have three attributes given. One is name, then the string and the domain. So the filter, the string is required and the domain and date, these kind of things are optional. And this option, this is the domain, this is working when we click on that option, the filter button. So responsible, if the responsible is equal to only those records that the responsible ID is equal to the current user ID will be listed there. And the next thing is group. Okay, so this is another tag that we can use under the search view, and it's given under the group by, then it's same the filter, then the responsible, and in the context we give the group by responsible. So this is how we define the group by and kind of things. Then this is a new thing that we have to discuss. So let's go to our apps and upgrade our app. Okay, then let's see what happens. In Open Academy courses, you can see, okay, my course is already here. So that's a new thing that another thing that I will show you. So here you can see the my filter, my courses, under filters my courses are here. So when I click on my courses, it will show only only the courses that I am responsible of. So in your case, now I am logged in the Odoo board, so I don't have any courses that is assigned. So when I click on my courses, nothing will show. When I click on the group by responsible, it will group the records will be grouped by uh, based on this responsible data. So this is how this filter and groups and group by things are defined in our search view. And you may have noticed when I click on the courses, this my courses is automatically coming. So what we have to do to enable that? So here in our context, we have to give this context search default my course. Okay, search default, and then the filter name my course. Okay, then make it to represent it's a true value, then we have to give the 1. So system will apply this my course filter by default whenever we click on this action, when this action is executed and opened in our view. So this is the two things that we are going we mean to discuss in this video. And there are some advanced options that we can use with this fields and filter and group. Okay, so let's go to that. Here you can see these things are when I click on one, it is looking, there is an operator that they are using, the system is using. So by default, for a float field, it will be equal to, or it will be I like or something. So if you want to define, if you want to alter or override the default operator that is using, you can use the operator attribute along with this field. Okay, you can put operator is equal to I like, or child of something like that. Okay, I will show you an example from the Odoo itself so that you get more understanding. Yes, here you can see the CRM. This is the search view for the opportunities. So here you can see the field name, partner ID, operator is child of. Okay, so that's another operator. Here you can put the strings customer, and this is another option that we are we are planning to discuss. It's a filter domain. So this is another attribute, advanced attribute that we can use. So it, like you can see the filter domain, this filter domain when you supply values for this filter, it will check the partner ID can be the term, it can be matching with the partner ID, or it can be matching with the partner name or email contact name. Okay, if any of these fields matches with the value that you are supplying, then the filter will work. So that records will be shown in the list view. So that's a advantages using this filter domain. And the operator, you can use different operators, except like by default thing like equal to or I like or anything. So this is the there's a lot of examples using the filter domain itself. We have a lot of example. You can see filter domain, the partner, child of, self. Here tag ID is I like. Here the CRM, the lead view, and say highlight. In this case, it's I like. A lot of examples that you can see. Journal entry name I like. So you can use any combination that you if you want in the along with the field. So whenever you search, it will work with multiple. It will check with the multiple field values of that object, multiple data. So that's another thing. Then the context and the groups, domain, those kind of things are also available. So for the groups, if you define groups, you can give a user group there. So that filter is only available for that specific users. So and also the domain also, that you can, here this is a filter domain. So why don't we use the domain itself? So that's a we can use the domain along with this field. So if we are using something like, here you can see we are using the partner ID. So it's a many-to-one field. So when we filter many-to-one field, there will be a lot of options that we can choose. So to filter those records, so in our, yeah, okay. So if we are listing the things, listing the restored partner, all the restored partner in their responsible, and I want to filter. Now we have added default period, this month, and then this will work when we put this invoice date in our default filter, okay, as a default option. So that we can give in the actions here. So on the context value, I hope you remember that we put these options under this context, the default thing. Okay, the my courses is equal to 1 in our actions context. So here we are adding our case. So it will be like search default invoice date. Okay, I forgot to put the code. Yeah, then colon and 1. So we have added that also in our default list. Then let's see. Yeah, okay, let's, you see that we didn't say it's March 2021st or anything. We just said this month. So system by default filtered with the current month. So you can change it to day, like this month, this week, and also last month, last week, this year, last year. So this all the options are available, so you can do that also with the filters. And the next thing that we did is the group by. A group by also have this option. When we have the invoice date, you see the year, quarter, month, these things also come. You don't have to specify anything for that. Okay, you don't have to specify anything like we don't have any special attribute or anything for that. You can just if you define a filter with this with the group by attribute like this, then like what we added for the responsible. So in the context we put the group by responsible. That's a main difference that we have with this filter and this one. So in the context we put the group by. So if you set the filter based on a date or date time field, these options will automatically come. These options, this sub group by options will automatically come. And this also, if you put you can set these things also by default, and it will work same as the filter. If you have to set that as a default option. Okay, You can make the current year group by year or group by quarter or something, whatever you want. If you and it will work as default. It will when you click on this customer menu, the invoice menu, it will work like that. So just like the filter option. I hope you understand the concepts of the search view, how to add the filters and how to make them by default, enable these filters for your action, and how to add the group by and everything. If you have any doubts, please put that under this comment section of this video. We will try to answer your queries. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks once again. Bye.